Friends, hello everyone. I'm glad to welcome you on our channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can easily disable auxiliary access on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put likes and write your comments. So let us get started with you. And if you have auxiliary access enabled on your iPhone, or if someone in your family has it enabled on their iPhone, and you want to disable it, it's very easy to do. To do this, you will need to turn on and unlock your phone. Then take it and press the power button 3 times, which is on the right side of your iPhone. So, we press it. 1, 2, 3. You'll get a little menu like this, from which you'll need to select the option to exit the auxiliary mode. And now you're going to need to enter your password from auxiliary access. Keep in mind that this is a separate password, it's not your phone password. So, after you enter your password, if it is correct, you will immediately start to reboot and reconfigure your iPhone from auxiliary to normal mode. It will take no more than 10 seconds, and after you go back to normal mode, you can also enter your phone password, and as you can see, the phone went to normal mode. Friends, this is how you can easily disable auxiliary mode on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful and useful to you. Friends, please leave us your likes, comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.